Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get notified when a user gets final approval for their time off, even if you're not their direct approving manager. To get started, make sure to log into your Vacation Tracker account, and then you're going to head to the left-hand menu and click on the Department section. Here, you're going to select the department in which you would like to get notified for when users get their time off approved. And then once you click on the department, you're going to click on Edit Department. If you scroll down slightly, you'll reach this section that says Approval Flow. And you'll notice that there's a box that says Notify Watchers after final approval. All you need to do is enter the email address or addresses of anyone who wants to get notified for when users from this department get their time off approved. It doesn't matter if they're part of the company or even part of the department, you just need to enter their email address. And then once you scroll down and hit Update Department, the changes will be reflected. So now, anytime a user requests time off and it goes through the approving manager and they approve it, then the watchers will get notified after that final approval. And here's an example of what that notification looks like inside of your inbox. You'll see that if you click on the email, it'll contain the user as well as the date that has been approved for their leave. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. If you want to learn more about the different types of notifications, be sure to check out our help desk, which contains several articles on the subject. And if you ever run into problems setting up watchers on your own account, then feel free to reach out to our support team either via chat or email.